Hi guys, Kevin here. Today we're going to travel to Rosemont to take a tour of a brand new home. The home was built by Hans Hagen, MI Homes, and it's in a brand new master plan community called Feilds. Feilds is about 2 miles east of downtown Rosemont off of County Road 42. This beautiful home is designed as one-level living. There's a generous-sized main floor master suite with an additional guest bedroom up front with bath. Open concept main floor great room connected to a fabulous kitchen. The designer's selection choices in this home are outstanding. It has a very cool modern vibe to it without feeling stuffy. MI builds a few different versions of this home that they have available as spec homes for immediate sale, or you could go through the process of building your own from scratch and making all the designer selections yourself. This is an association-maintained villa where your lawn and snow care, sanitation is all covered by a professional management company. You have the benefits of single-family living without doing yard work. Do you think you could live in a home like this? Let me know in the comments below.